Alright, so imagine this. I am desperate. I'm depressed. I'm sad. I'm on my wit's end. And I just want answers. So I go to the machine. Okay, you need to set that according to your birth sign. I am a Scorpio, so I'm going to set it to Scorpio. I think that's Scorpio. I'm not really sure. I think that's Scorpio. Scorpion or Scorpio. Then you drop in $1. You gotta put your hand into establish mystic contact. So I will. One hand is going right there. And then you get your stuff typed. Let's see. I'm gonna read it at the end though. I'm just gonna wait for it. You can just look at it. Look at it go. It's done. Now you can just like see it do this for a really long time. It takes a while. It takes like a very well. There we go. Then it's dispensed. It's like there we go. Let's see what it says. You're. Hold on. I need it to focus. Let's get in here. You are apt to be very intelligent, evenly balanced, and have a happy, optimistic quality of thought. People like you are full of ideas and have more ability to put your thoughts into practice. Well, it's calling me intelligent, even though I am legally retarded, but that's fine, I guess. It's a machine. You can't give it that much credit.